Here we go. Start a Thunder Knob Trail. Oh. I like a trail that has a picnic table at the beginning of it. That's a good trail right there. It's all lined with rocks and everything. Wow. It's very cool.
This is what I want to do by the shop.
What's that?
Was it a long way when you did St. Helens?
Oh yeah, it's like 7 hours, St. Helens. Oh, look at this. Coming up on a river. All right. Now we transition into the woods, into the trees and the forest. Look at the moss coming up. Trail turns more dirty and softer, not so rocky. Look at that. It's a nice trail. Very easy to walk on, although I am a little out of breath. It is.
We had our coats on. We had pants, coat. Anyway, it was June.
Coming up to a small vista where we can see the lake through the trees. See how steep it is here. Can't quite see the lake down there through the trees. Continue on, maybe up and around the corner. She found a nice place to sit for a second in the shade.
Got a handle. Ugh. Can't sit there.
You can just barely see the lake through the trees. We're almost at 2 miles. We're still climbing. I'm sweating like a dog. I'm breathing hard. The trees have given way to small Scotch pine. There's occasional fir, but very scraggy here at the top. Here we're getting to the top. You can still see right up in here, there's some snow.
Yeah, there's snow behind you, way more.
Pockets. We'll turn around real quick into the sunlight. Way up on the top of the mountain, there you go. Little pocket of snow up there, making the rivers run. We're coming up to the top here. There's a little peekaboo view of the Lake Diablo. Oh, look at how green it is. So cool. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh yeah.
That's a little tour boat your mom wants to.
There's the money shot right there.
It's a little hazy.
Look at that. Look at that color. That is cool. There's the highway. Really?
This is cool. Look, it comes down and then it's divided. See?
Yeah. Oh, there's like a little island point.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the vista off the, right over here. You can see there's like a car where the cars can pull up and get a good vista shot. They don't have to hike like we did for 4 hours.
Yeah, you can pull off.
We're gonna go down this hill right here, very slip. Yes, of course I did. I mean, look at that water. That is the true color right there that you're seeing, folks. It is green, like a lime green. I mean, I wish you could see this in person. It's amazing. This is the North Cascades, Lake Diablo, backed up by the Diablo Dam, and that is glacier runoff. It's really cool. I mean, I've never seen that kind of color before. Like a jade, I guess. Maybe jade would be a better word than lime. Would you say that's like a jade color? Yeah.
You know what they say about it?
No, what do they say?
There's a Loch Ness monster in there. Right? He lives right here.
Look at the mountains on the other side. They go way up there. I mean, I think we're at like 4,000 feet right now.
I think I see its head.
And then this mountain peak over here. This one. I'll have to look it up on the map and see what the elevation is. Here's one to our right. Check this out. It goes way up there too. North Cascades in beautiful Washington State. Cascade Mountain Range runs from British Columbia down through Oregon, meets up with the Sierra Nevada Mountain Range in California. I think there's a small gap in between the two ranges, but it was pretty awesome. Yeah, we're getting back down into the more of the forest, bigger, taller trees. It's a lot cooler down here in the shade. We can hear a little creek running. It's kind of nice. You could tell the temperature just dropped like 10 degrees. What do you think? It was like 92 up there, I think. It was hot. Yeah, a lot more shade, a lot greener, mossier growth down here. I think we had an elevation of about 2,000 feet. I don't know, I'll look on the map. It just felt like we were climbing.
You get shortness of breath.
Very mossy.
Mile 3.
Nice.
26 minutes.
26 minutes a mile.
26 minutes.
Nice.
Oh, I'm at 601. I burned 350 in the Zumba class, so that's 2 Zumba classes
You burned 600 calories?
so far.
Wow. Almost takes care of that Subway sandwich we had.
Oh, no,
Oh yeah, here comes the creek. Probably some mountain fish in there. You gonna soak your feet? Go for it.
My toe hurts so bad. Just started hurting.
Over here where it's flatter, not so deep and slippery. Don't be, it's slippery.
That is like ice. It's like ice water.
Is it?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Is it cold?
Put it in ice cubes. Oh man. I can't stand it.
Put it in there.
No, it's super cold.
Come on.
It feels good. That's cold. I wish I had. I'm so thirsty. Can I drink this?
No.
Dang it. I didn't even bring my purifier.
You probably could drink it, but I wouldn't. I mean, it's coming right out of the mountain.
I'm so thirsty.
It looks really cloudy. It's got to be a lot of minerals in it.
What's that mean?
It's very cloudy. It's got a lot of lime, I think, in it. That's why it's so green.
This is very bouncy, so you can get on this. You want me to take your picture? It's pretty cool, huh?
It's slippery. The water.
Slimy.
Not slimy, just like soapy.
Yeah. Maybe it's the limestone or something. You know how slippery those soft limestone rocks are?
Yeah, like soapstone?
Yeah, soapstone. Look your hair now. Slow-mo.
I should do that.
Come up out of the water.
I'm gonna do it.
Then you can do the slow-mo. Didn't Tom do that once? I think he did.
Oh, we made it back to the parking lot. We are at 3.54 miles. It was hot. It was hot. Great time though. If you ever want to, Thunder Knob. Go get in the water. Come on, a little bit. That was it?
Yeah.
Is it too cold?
Yeah.
These guys are all the way up to their knees, son. They're looking like it's perfectly fine.
They're not as old as I am.